stressed out. When I think about you, get a little excited.
So for today's video, I am going to be doing a makeup look, and this is my everyday makeup routine for summer 2018. This is the look. If you like it, you can continue watching. Okay, I'll get on to the makeup now. So for the first step of doing my makeup, I like using the professional thing just because I think it helps pores. I don't really know if it does. I think it kind of just covers them. I don't think it actually helps anything. I have the mini birthday size from Ulta. Okay, so the next thing that I use is the Hello Flawless Oil-Free Oxygen Wow Broad Spectrum SPF 25 Brightening Sunscreen Makeup. It's the Benefit makeup. I'm in the color, it doesn't say what color it says. It's probably like light. It probably says something like that. And then I use my beauty blender. I have a black one. I know that black ones are supposed to do something different than pink ones. I don't know what it is. So if anyone knows, comment below because I'm too lazy to Google it. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Kat Von D Lock It Concealer, and mine is in the shade Warm. So now I'm going to be using my Sephora powder to, you know, blend everything on my face. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, and I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Brown Power Duo. And if you watch my videos, you used to always see when I used to do makeup tutorials, I just have one where I hit pan a ton, and I got a new one. So look, it's brand new, no pan. So yes, great. Okay, I'm going to do my mascara next because I'm just getting really mad looking at myself in the viewfinder without mascara. Okay, so for mascara, I use a combo of these. I don't use them all every day. I just like pick and choose. This one is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Curvitude. I don't know. This one is the Maybelline Mega Push Volume Express. This one is a mini Better Than Sex mascara. And then these ones are these mascaras that I literally got from TJ Maxx, but they honestly work so good. And they were like $1 at TJ Maxx. And then this one is a Wet n Wild one, which works like kind of okay, you know? So I'm gonna do that and come back. Okay, I am back with eyelashes. So now I'm gonna do bronzer. The bronzer that I use is the Too Faced Sweetheart Bronzer. It's kind of hit pan. If you see this, I've been using this for like a year, like every day. And then the brush that I'm gonna be using to apply this with is the Luxe 504 Large Angled Brush. Okay, so now for eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using the Pure Visionary palette, and this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. It's all like pinks, and it has some purples. I don't know. I just think it's like so pretty and like it's sparkly. I love this palette. I feel like they're like an underrated makeup company because like I don't really know a lot of people that use it, but their eyeshadow palette is so pretty. Okay, so first color I'm gonna use is this pink one, and it's called Girl Boss. I almost dropped it. Okay, so now that I have that color done, I'm gonna go on to my second color, which is this pink color on the bottom, and it's called Idealist. Okay, so for my last color, I'm gonna use this one. It's called CEO, and it's like a brown color. Okay, so for lipstick, I'm going to use this Katy Kat matte color. It is in, ooh, I don't know how to say that. I'm just not gonna attempt it, but it's basically just like a dark pink color. Okay, I think I'm gonna add some blush because I feel like something's missing from my face. I usually don't add blush. I sometimes do. Okay, so when I use blush, I use this Tarte Partey. That's the shade. It's called Tarte Partey. And then to put it on, I use this Real Techniques brush, and it's called their buffing brush. Yes. Just have a mirror. Hopefully, just look in the viewfinder. Hopefully that's okay. Okay, so for the finishing touch, I use my Kat Von D Lock It Makeup Setting Mist. Hopefully that stays all day. We hope, you know. Okay, so that was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you should like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my Twitter and Instagram. Add me on Snapchat because I had every single person back. And please subscribe because my goal of the year is to get to 20,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So I would love if you would subscribe. So I hope you get there. Okay, that's all I have to say. So goodbye.